Okay, so this is the coconut that I showed you that I blend up. See the milk? It turns to milk. Okay, and now I'm gonna pour it in the pot. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so this is the coconut right here. And I'm gonna go and pour it, but first I have to actually strain it. Okay, so I'm gonna strain it over the pot. Okay, so I'm straining. This is the milk. See that? It turns to milk. Okay. See that? And we're gonna put our beans in there with our seasoning. Honey, please give me some water. Fill it up with water. Okay, that's good. Pour it in here in the strainer. And I give it a second wash so I get all my milk out. Awesome. See, my husband helping me. It's called teamwork. That's it. And now I'm going to actually squeeze my milk out. So you want to squeeze the milk out. Just like that. And you have the trash from the coconut. Okay? See that? That's it. And you could just dump that. And then I'm going to be adding on my seasoning, and I'll come back and show you that.